The picking pattern for E minor in Everybody Hurts is exactly the same as the G chord. Again, we will get our reference point, heel pad onto the bridge, or maybe you prefer to use your little or third finger somewhere there. Quarter of the plectrum, and you pick the 6th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st with downstrokes, and 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And again, 6th, 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st, 2nd, 3rd. E minor chord has the fingers positioned on the 5th and 4th string. But because we're not using these strings for E minor, you actually don't even need to put your fingers on the guitar. I've been demonstrating it to you, and my chord hand was just up here. I'm not near it, and I'm playing the E minor. So you only do what's necessary. It makes it much easier. If I come back here for a minute, this is E minor with the 2 fingers. If I take it off. So in the song it's going to be much easier for me to go to the A's when I'm done. And then I won't have any fingers. It's just going to make it a little bit easier.